absolute seas. The tiramisu.
Let's make it one.
We're running to see the sunrise, I think, if there's even a sunrise. We're running early this morning. Did a thing, running early. Make some greens and go to work. Oh my god, I need to make my lunch. Let's do that. Burger time! That was me explaining that we're gonna go get a burger. I don't know why I wasn't talking. Yay! Yeah! I won. Come eat some cake. Birthday cake. I don't even know if it's working. Is $270 too much to spend on a jumper that I really like? Yes, I know the answer. Let's make some greens and then go for a swim. I don't think we've spoken since Pilates, but whenever I go to class, I either get really humbled or it's like not hard enough, and that was humbling. Oh, it's actually quite chilly, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna do it. Okay, let's go home and have a shower and brekkie and start work. My new little work spot, and I've got me coffee. I was already feeling a little bit jittery. I really didn't need the coffee, but it's okay. How stunning is that looking? I literally just washed my hair, but I think I'm gonna go swim after work, which is now, because it's 5 o'clock. I wish my hair could stay nice. The sun sets at like 5:30 now. I've got like 20 minutes to get a swim in. It's not pleasant. Welcome back to the MasterChef kitchen! I'm so excited. I woke up so happy. I'm supposed to go to the gym, but I don't have a gym membership at the moment, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like I haven't woken up that like a long time. I don't know why. Maybe I slept good. I did sleep good. I also almost made myself a coffee this morning, but too much decision fatigue. Just go with the flow, you know? Spooky. It's like a storm is coming.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance.
No brain break today. That was busy. Let's go have some nachos. It's Wednesday, which is hump day. I just put washing on. What should I put there? I'm gonna put like a canvas over it. It's gotta be beachy, naturally. I had a great day at work. I'm gonna go have a shower now. Oh my gosh, is it just me or is it absolutely freezing? Okay, well, I'm sorry, I tried to prop you up, but you keep falling. What the hell? I still refuse to put long pants on until I really need to. I'm not gonna put pants on when I'm still tan. And like, I don't want to sleep in pants. I stopped using so much of my skincare. Like, I just use 2 things now. And I'm also on Accutane, so it's like, I don't know what's gonna help. It'll be the Accutane. Thursday. I'm a crumpet. If there's one thing that annoys me, it's terrible drivers. Alrighty, let's go see Bree. And yes, I changed outfits because the other one was sweaty. That red light's not cute. I missed the sunrise. Cool fit.
Absolute scenes.
Where's it from? Who are you wearing?
Aritzia.
Aritzia. Work time. It's 5 o'clock. Time to go home. I brought this new, oh, that's why is it playing? Brought this new pineapple salsa, which I'm trying. So far, so good. Good morning. I don't know what I'm doing this weekend yet. I have a few plans, but world's your oyster. Really hot. I freaking love Pilates. Let's go to the beach. Sounds like a good angle. I'm so aware that my footage is so low this week, so I'm trying to make up for it, if you can't tell. Wow, stunning. It always looks so stormy out there. I don't know if you can see, there's like boats. And I'm like, ooh. The banana's a little bit spotty. Like a green banana. See it work. The bowl is too small. I don't know, it's getting colder and I find myself wanting to get back into smoothies. Maybe oatmeal, but I got a tattoo that says oats because I ate a lot of oats for a long time. So I feel like it would be right to get back into that, you know? I just can't get over my yogurt bowl. There's only like 2 Greek yogurt brands in Australia. There's this and the Chobani Greek yogurt. Otherwise it's really hard to find one that's not Greek style. I think I've talked about this in a previous video. Wow, you guys are lucky to get my Greek yogurt chat. Okay, bye. See you at 5 p.m. or on my brain break. Brain break. Brain break. Brain break. Brain break. Activate. Face is clean. Weekend plans made. It's Friday. Legs shaved. Have meal prep in the fridge. Meal prep, it's just leftovers. When did we start calling it meal prep? It's about to pour down. How good. Egg tacos. It's gonna be so messy. I'm watching MasterChef. Coca-Cola kind of morning.
We did it, yeah. Woo! Average heart rate runs 78. He's dying, clearly.
Doodle, I need one of them. But look at that. Snickerdoodle. Could have peanut butter in there. Okay. Oh my god. The cinnamon sugar is unreal. Breakfast has been had. Now I'm walking around to Bree's because I want to edit you and go sit with Bree for a bit and do nothing. Hey Grace, thanks for the couch and the cup and the straw. Basically we went to go to the shops.
Hi YouTube.
And we forgot that everything's closed because it's Anzac Day. And so now we've come here to try and find our loco love. I think we'll find it. It looks fun. Yep, guess your sandwich.
Wait, are you guessing which one I would
It's the
choose?
spray thing. Yep.
Beef balls. Kind of beef balls. Like a ball of a beef.
Oh, this is really quite tricky.
Yeah, okay, I picked mine.
Got a new Loco Love. I've never seen this flavour, so we'll try that soon.
Back to my Uber. Just. Don't put that in.
I'm having Mexican for the, I think 5th night in a row because I'm trying to use that salsa before it goes off. But that's fine. It's great. Empty. Luckily, I have another jar. We're gonna walk and get a coffee, but it's raining. So let's see. Some blue sky. Can you see that? Got a warm coffee this morning because it just felt right. But I do love a nice coffee. I feel like it has its place. Cute, yum. But I think a hot coffee is always going to be better.
Writing up my report currently. Oh, sneak peek.
What else is on here?
Oh.
A Mont Blanc.
This is a tiramisu.
Tiramisu not so soon.
Yeah, tiramisu not so soon.
I think I'm gonna make banana pancakes for lunch. I mean, I have my blender, this old banana that I didn't eat for breakfast, so that's so fun. It's kind of early for lunch, like it's not even 12 and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make banana pancakes. See you after I make them, because I'm not gonna film it. But Bree's over there on that seat there, and I'm sneaking up on her from behind. Let's see if this works. God damn, she saw me. I think she tracked me.
Oh, both Brian and I are here.
Are you hiding?
Go, Lonnie! Go. Should I grab a lime? A meal prep chicken curry. I'm gonna edit you. On my olive oil right now. I have leftovers for dinner, so I'm gonna make that and I'm then gonna go to bed and have my Loco Love.